Hey guys, welcome back to Easy channel. Yeah, I have this like a 2020 Chevy Traverse. You need air filter change. It's about 25% left. And then I also recently looked at the user manual. I find this replace passenger compartment air filter. I should do that around 20,000 and 22,500 miles, which is past that because the car right now is around like 32,000 miles. And the next time I'm gonna do is like a 45,000. So I got an air filter here from Wix, not sponsor, and here's the part number. And here's the cabin air filter from AC Delco. Yeah, let's change this first, and then I will do the air filter. I will leave the part I use in this video in the description below. All right, let's see. The cabin air filter should be behind this glove compartment and have a damper here. Probably need to loosen it up. Okay, it's loose now. Like so now, I believe if I can push this, oh, yep, just push this two side in, and then it would drop. And then now, yeah, I can separate it from the I don't know what this piece of the body. So let me show you what I did for the damper. So the damper is hooking up from here, like this rod right here. So what I did is I squished this tab by hand, and then another hand just like a lip, push the damper arm away, and then separate. So, and here is the air filter cover thingies, and this hidden screw. Yes, yeah, it have one hidden screw right here. I don't know what I got here. T20. I don't want to drop this thing. Got it. So yeah, it's a T20. Good. Like so, this one push in this way, and this tab lift it up, and you can pull it toward. And also need to play around with it. Oh yeah, this thing is way overdue, I think. And then before I remove it, I need to remember the airflow direction. So it's pointing down. Yeah, based on the new filter, it also have an airflow. So the direction has to be the same. Alright. Hold on. Alright, let's clean up some mess before I remove it. Alright, should be just slide out. Ready? Alright, let's take a look inside, make sure it's nice and clean. Seems like it. I also clean up the cover. Alright, here's the new cabin air filter, the brand. I use AC Delco, but not support, not sponsor. And here's the part number. And this was look like. And that's the old one. Yeah, yep, the old one definitely like have way more fuss. Yep, makes sense. All right, let's do the install. All right, the install pretty much reverse. So just slide in, hope it fit. Ah, it fit. It fit really good. And make sure the airflow is pointing down. And now I can install the cover. Yeah, for the install, make sure the cover like this side is like hooking up to here first. Or make sure I can slide the thing back in first before I do anything. I believe that size hook. So slide in, and then she's just like, oh, I think that's just slide. Yeah, this side's in, but nothing's, I don't hear a clicking sound. Okay, I think it's in there. This one is like touching the cover. Same thing on that side. So everything nice and tight. I don't think, I don't think that this T20 screw is necessary, but let's install it. Well, I can start it by hand. Now time to jam the screwdriver in there. It's a T20. Alright, it's in. And everything's tight. Yep, I cannot put it by hand. It's good. Hold this up. Just push it back up. And okay. Ow. And don't forget the damper.
They like it. You always think they're wrong. Yeah, you're crazy. It's like a circus.
Oh, I can pull it down, and push it back in. And then now test out, make sure the damper is working.
Yeah.
All right. The cabin air filter got changed. Let's move to the air filter. For the air filter, should be pretty straightforward. I popped the hood. Yep, here's the hose latch, and then have a hydraulic. You can hold it up. Have a hydraulic strut, and you can hold the hood, and then here's the air filter. It should hold by some screw, I guess. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a number 2 Phillip. And that should slide out. Yeah, it looked decent, but anyway, let's change it. All right, let's do a quick comparison. That's the old one, and then that's the new one. Yeah, different brand, so have different color on the filter element, but structure-wise, they look pretty much the same. I now need to clean up what inside, but be careful when you lift up this the upper part of the air filter housing. There's the MAP sensors right there. Yeah, it should slide in this way. Yep, the pointy end of the filter is pointed toward to the car, onto myself. Drop it right in. Right, now just align everything. Yeah, it should sit flush if the install's right. So make sure that the gasket on the air filter not squishing out. Nope, seems like everything's inside the airbox. Alright, now I just need to tie down all 5 screws. Just hand tie snug it and go in the car and reset the air filter life. Alright, now I'm at the air filter life menu. You can probably now that that's the main screen. Just have the home, and then just press right, and then you can do up and down until you find the air filter life. I think I can do menu, do a reset. Yes. There you go. All right, let's fire up the car. And then turn on the AC. Make sure wind coming out. Yeah. Well, smell cleaner for sure. Like not that muddy. And then let's go to the air box. Make sure no hissing noise, nothing. Yeah, I just want to I don't want any air leaks happen. All right, seems so far so good. And the engine still running pretty stable. Yeah, I think the work is done. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for all the support. Please subscribe, leave a comment below. Yeah, any of your support is really important to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.